Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Master Price Action YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you how to draw support and resistance levels. First of all, I want to tell you that if you going to trade on daily time frame, you should draw support and resistance levels on weekly time frame. Similarly, if you want to trade on H4 time frame, you should need to draw supports and resistance level on the daily, and if you want to trade on H1, you need to draw support and resistance level on the H4. Usually I used to trade on daily time frame, and I am going to draw support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame. I want to tell you why I am going to draw support and resistance level on the weekly time frame, because weekly time frame shows the bigger picture of the market. It shows the some authentic levels. So let's get started. You can see I am on the weekly time frame, and GBP JPY is the pair. First of all, you need to look where market tap multiple times. Start from the bottom. At the bottom we have a spike here. At the same level we have a spike here. So draw this level like I am going to draw. Similarly, look at this level. At the same level we have a spike here. We have a spike here. So draw this level like this. We have another level here. At same level we got a support level here and here. So we need to draw this level. Now we can see these resistance levels. These resistance levels, we need to draw them. After that we have a spike here. At same level we have spike here, here. So we have to draw this level. And finally we have a little spike here and here. So we have to draw this level. Are you thinking that chart is looking so messy and so complicated? Don't worry. Switch back to the daily time frame. Look at this. How beautifully market react on these levels. Look at this. Resistance level again acts as resistance. Resistance level act as support. Look at this. Double bottom. So some of minor levels are missing. We missed some of the levels, so don't worry. Please zoom out a little bit and draw the missing levels. Look at this. This is a very beautiful resistance level, and look at this. Market took support from here, from here, from here, and act as resistance here. So we need to draw a level here. This is how I draw support and resistance level on my forex charts. Market is looking very clean. You can see, look at the market, how beautifully market respond on these levels. In my next video, I will teach you how to trade these levels, how market react on these levels, and I will tell you in the detail how to take entry on these levels. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.